Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a custom theme on Discord. So first, it requires Discord Nitro. This is very obvious. They just want to make you the money, and they give you that because you bought the Nitro. So you can do that in user settings. You need to scroll down and go over into appearance. Now here you can make your Discord look just right, and we can try it out. We can make our own colors here. For example, we can make it really dark. We can change the color intensity, and of course we can change it to whatever color we really want. We can change it to light mode, dark mode, and we can also add a color. So as you guys can see, we are adding the color. Now here we can change it to red. Here we can change it to white, and here we can also change it to red. So that gives us some good colors. As you guys can see, we can, for example, copy that color. We can paste it right here, and we got a cool theme, which is basically somewhat pinkish red, white red, and also the pinkish color. Here we can change the gradient direction, as you guys can see. So we can put it in 180 degrees. It won't change anything. We can put it in 90 degrees. And now it looks like this. But I feel like this actually looks better on 0. Here we have color intensity. We can lower it, make it go up a little. Or we can get a surprise. So this is how the surprise looks like. We can make our Discord look like this. And once we have it, we can easily get the Nitro, or as you guys can see, we can add it to our wish list. So whenever we add it to our wish list, we should see our wish lists here, and this is the Nitro. So that's how you guys can easily get your custom theme, and that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.